Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. Today we want to look at how to change improper fractions to mixed number. My student who joined the class now, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. How are you today? Can you hear me? How are you? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I cannot hear you.
Yeah, I can.
Can you hear
Yeah, I
me?
can.
Okay, how are you today?
Yes, I can. Yeah.
All right. You're welcome to the class for today. Let's look at the solution to your work together before you try something else uh, on the same topic. How many 12 goes in 25?
How many 12 goes in 25 is 2?
When I ask you a question, don't repeat the question, just answer straight. 2. So, remainder what?
Remain 1.
1 over 12. Good. How many 10 goes in 112?
That's 11.
That's 11, right?
Yes.
Remainder,
Remain 2.
because that's 110. So, do you think we can change this to simplest form? 2 over 10 to simplest form.
Yes.
What are we supposed to change it to?
1 over 5.
So why didn't you change it? Half mark.
4.
So how many 15 goes in
Um,
46?
4. Oh, 3.
3. Remainder what?
Remain 1.
Over 15. How many 9 goes in 40?
4.
Remainder what?
Remain 4.
Remain what?
Remain 4.
How many 8 goes in 49?
6.
Remainder what?
Remain 1.
Okay. How many 6 goes in 37?
6.
Remainder what?
1.
Over 6. Okay. So, let me see. Okay, 5.5. Okay, quickly do this so that I can be sure that you already know it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So you should be able to finish in 20 minutes.
Okay.
All right. All right, viewers. Thanks for watching. We'll continue shortly. All right, can you hear me now?
Yeah. Yeah, I
How
can.
many 4 goes in 31?
How many 4 goes in 31?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here. That is
It's not part of the question, but I'm just asking. How many 4 goes in 31?
okay. Okay. 4.
4 in 31. How many 4?
Oh, let me choose. You say how many 4,031?
Yes.
7.
7. And that makes what? That makes what?
That,
That makes what?
that's that
Remainder what?
that remain 3.
Remain 3, okay? I just wanted to be sure. So, according to what you did, 4 in 25, that is 6, remainder 1 over 4, and that's correct. 2 in 17, that is 8, which is 16, remainder 1 over 2, that's also correct. Then 5 in 39 is 7, which is 35, remainder 4 over 5, that's also correct. Then 3 in 32 is 10, remainder 2 over 3, so it's correct. This one is wrong, okay? You don't change 2 over 3 into
Okay.
1 over whatever, no. Since nothing can divide 2 and 3 at the same time. Then 7 in 57, that is 8, which is 56, remainder 1 over 7. And 6 in 29, that's 4, which is 24, remainder 5 over 6. Then we have how many 11 in 43? That's 3,
How many?
remainder 10 over 11. Then 6, how many 9 in 64? That's 63, that's 7, remainder 3 over 9, which is 7, remainder 1 over 3. How many 8 here? That's 6, remainder 3 over 8. And how many 10 here? That is 7, remainder 6 over 10, which is 7, remainder 3 over 5. Okay, I think everything is intact. Do you know how to convert it back to improper fraction from mixed number?
No, but I'll try.
Okay, hold on. Trying to check on something here. So from mixed number to improper fractions. Example. I can pick any of the answers. Let me remove this. This was some words for some student. So I can pick any of the answers as our examples, okay?
Okay.
So maybe I pick 70, which is number 3, 704 over 5. So are you there?
Yeah.
The first example, 704 over 5. You're going to multiply 5 by 7, then you add 4. You now put it over that 5, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Let's just, I'm not done with it, but I just want to write a couple of question marks. So 7, 3 over 5, which is number 10 there. So let's assume we have the second one. 7 over number 3 over 5. What do you think I should do? 5 times
You're gonna
7
do.
plus 3 over 5. Okay?
Okay.
Let me put up 2 more before I now solve them. 4 over 5 over 6. 4 over what? 5 over 6. What do you think I should do?
So
6
what you
times
should do
4,
is split up.
right?
Yes.
Plus what? 5. Divided by
That's
what?
fine.
6. Okay, let me pick one more. Okay, this time around, I'm not picking from your example. 2 whole number 3 over 11. So, what do you think I should do?
You do 11 times 2 is 3
Over what?
over.
Over what?
That'll be, that'll be 25.
Over what?
Over, over 11.
Uh-huh. Do you understand it now? Do you understand it now?
Yes.
So this one will be what? What's 5 times 7?
5 times 7. Oh, okay. 5
What's
times
5
7 will
times
be
7? What is 5 times 7?
35.
35 plus 4. What is 35 plus 4?
35 plus 4 is going to be 39.
Is that clear?
Yes.
The second one, 5 times 7 is what?
It's 35
Plus what?
plus
What
3.
is 35 plus 3?
38.
What do you say?
38.
38 over 5. Then the next one, 6 times 4 is what?
6 times 4.
6 times 4 is what?
I'm going to look at this one. Well, that will be
6 times 4 is what?
24.
24. 24 plus what?
24 plus 5.
And that's what?
And that's going to be 29.
Now the last one but not the least. Let's see. What is
11
it?
times 2 is 22.
So what is 22 plus 3?
25.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now write it down, okay? So write the topic first before you now write them down. Alright viewers, that'll be it for now. And please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Welcome back to class for today. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Okay, can you hear me now? I don't know if you can hear me. Let me ask if she can hear me. Can
Yeah, I can.
you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, how are you today?
Good.
All right, send me your homework.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I'll be back.
all right. Okay, I'll get the homework, then we'll continue. The answers to your assignment. We have 12 whole number to over 6. So if we want to change it to improper fraction, according to the topic, we say 12 times 6, then we add the 2 at the top. So that's going to be 12 times 6 is 72, 72 plus um, 2 is 74. Okay, so we get 74 over 6, and that's correct. 40 plus 1 is 41 over 4. That should be correct. 48 plus 8 should be 56 over 16. Okay. Then we're going to multiply 18 and 7. And if you get 126, then plus this. Okay, that should be correct. Let's, hold on. I'm trying to confirm. So we have 18 times 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then we had 17 is 143. Not 17. And the next number is this is 6 plus 1, that's 7 over 3, which is this one is 143. And then we have 100 times 11, 1129. Yeah, 1129 over 100. That's also correct. Then we also have 48 plus 3, that's 51 over 16. Then this is 40 plus 1, 41 over 5. This is 22 plus 1, that's 23 over 2. And this is 56 plus 6, that's 62 over 8. Uh, what? How did you get 72?
For which question?
For the next question, how did you get 72? Huh? You said 56 plus 6 is 72. Is that true? I mean, is that correct? Is that so? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
56 plus 6 is what?
56 plus 6 is 56.
56 plus 6.
Yeah, 56, right?
5, 6. 56 plus 6 is what?
50. Oh, okay. 62.
Why did you write 72? Take note of that next time. So we have 12 times 25, and that's 300 plus 20. That's 320 over 25. Then 400 plus 94, that's 494 over 100. And we have 11 times 50, which is 550 plus 32, that's 582 over 50. Then the next one is 7 times 2, which is 14 plus 1, that's 15 over 2. And then we have 10 times 10, 100 plus 1, that's 101 over 10. Okay, 101 over 10. Did you do number 15? You skipped number 15, right?
Yes.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, take note next time. So 11 times 8 is 88. Then 88 plus 6 is 94. 94 over 8. It's 94 over 8 or 94 over 6. How did it become over 6? Let me start. Then 12 times 4 is 48 plus 1, that's 49 over 4. 12 times 6 is 72. 72 plus 8 is 80. 80 over 12. And the next one, we have 16 times 6. That's 96 plus 8. That's 104 over 16. Then 4 times 2 is 30. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 2 is 34 over 8. And the last question, 35 over 10. So out of 21, you got, how many did you miss? One, two. Maybe you missed only two, right? And you skipped one. I mean, you didn't get three. What is 21 minus 3?
21 minus 3 is 20.
What did you say?
20.
How can it be 20? 21 minus 3. Yeah? What is 21 minus 3?
It's 18.
It's 18, right?
Yes.
Okay. 18 over 21. Okay, can you reduce 18 over 21 to simplest form? Um, that would lead us to the next topic, reducing fraction to simplest form. So, example, 18 over 21. Can you reduce it to simplest form? How can
Yes.
you do it? If you can do it, tell me how you're going to do it. If you cannot do it, tell me I don't know how to do it.
Okay, so you could do 18 plus 21.
18 plus 21. Who taught you that?
No.
Oh, so you don't guess. In math, there are only two answers. I know it, I don't know it. So what's your answer?
I don't.
Speak up.
I don't know.
Aha, good. So you should listen. What we are to do whenever we are reducing fraction to simplest form, okay, hold on a little bit. We're going to continue shortly. All right. Oh, yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So, if you want to reduce a fraction to the simplest form, you're going to look at the numerator and the denominator. What's the denominator?
21.
Speak up.
21.
Good. What's the numerator? What's the numerator?
18.
18, right?
Yeah.
So look for a number that would divide both of them without leaving any remainder. That is, both of them must be on the multiplication table of that number. And preferably, you could decide to use highest of such number, or you can start from the lowest until no number can divide them together again. So what number would divide 18 and 21 without leaving any
Okay.
remainder?
Yes.
What's the number I can use to divide 18 and 21 and without having any remainder? I mean, what's the number on the multiplication table that when you check it, you got to find 18 and you got to find 21 on the table of that number? What number can that be? Could it be 2? I can find 18 on 2 multiplication table. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let me say this. I can find 21 on 2 multiplication table. Yes or no?
No.
Speak up.
No.
No. So that means since both of them are not found on 2 multiplication table, I cannot use 2 to divide both of them. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
For me to be able to use a number to divide both
Okay.
of them, for me to be able to use a number to divide both of them must be on the multiplication table of that number. So consider 6. 18 is on 6 multiplication table. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is 21 on 6 multiplication table?
No.
So can I use 6 to divide both 18 and 21? No, because 21 is not
No.
on 6. It's only 18 that's on 6. So the 6 will only divide 18. It won't divide 21. Okay, let's think about it this way. You think of a number that both 18 and 21 are on its multiplication table.
Okay.
Yeah, think. I give you 7 seconds.
3.
Oh, you mean 18 is on 3 multiplication table and 21 is also on 3 multiplication table? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
That's correct. So, what number do you say I should use to divide both of them?
3.
3. So, if I divide both of them by 3, what's my answer?
So 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. Okay. 18 divided by 3 is 6.
Okay, 6. Mm-hmm.
Then 21 divided by 3 is 7.
7. So, no remainder. And this is my answer because no number would divide them at the same time again. 2 and 3 would divide 6, but they won't divide 7. That's why we cannot use 2 or 3, okay?
Okay.
All right, we have done example 1. Let's go to example 2. I'm using 21 again, but this time I have 12 over 21. What number can I use to divide both 12 and 21?
So let me check.
Yeah, what number can I use to divide both 12 and 21, to reduce them to the smallest form, simplest form?
You can use 3.
You sure?
Yes.
So what's the answer?
So 12 divided by 3
Hmm.
is, I just have the answer now.
Yeah,
That would be 4.
that would be 4. Hmm.
12 divided by 3 is 7.
Oh, it's 7. That one is quicker because you've done it at the top, right?
Yeah.
That's the trick. I mean, that's the logic of the whole show of mathematics. Once you do it over and over, it's sticking to your brain. Um, The next example, give you a 36. Is it 36 now? 6 over 60. So, what do you say? What number can divide them?
Mm,
And you are permitted to use big numbers, okay? Otherwise,
okay.
you would not be reducing it to the lowest form. You use highest of such number. So what if you're giving me a number, be sure that there is no number bigger than that number that would divide both of them.
Oh, so we like can't use 3 or 2 or nothing like that, right?
Yep, we can't use three, we can use two because if we use them, we will still have to divide again.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Okay, fine, fine. Let's use any of them. Which one do you say we should use?
We can use 2.
Two. But you're gonna give yourself a kind of a hard job to do there because you're gonna have to divide both of them by two. So what's your answer?
Um,
Uh,
36 divided by
Unfortunately, you won't be able
2.
to see that in your multiplication chart.
Oh,
Yeah, because
okay.
it
Let me,
stops.
let me find.
Wait, how do I know you have a multiplication chart there?
I don't have one here. I don't. No, I
I
don't.
thought you have one with you.
No,
Okay. Continue. What's your answer?
no,
But then it's
36.
pretty easy to detect the answer, but I just want to leave you to detect the answer on your own. Yes?
Oh, never mind. I know what to do.
You don't know how to detect the answer, right?
Yes.
Well. Let's see. You can say how many. We did something when we were doing LCM
Yeah.
stuff.
What?
So how many two in three?
What I was trying to do was I was doing like we have 36.
Yeah,
Let's say like
how
we're
many
small, so
two
we're
in
sharing with
how
50.
many
So I was
two in
choosing 3.
three? How many two goes in three?
Oh, how many? That's one.
One. Remainder what? One. That's 16 now. How many two goes in 16? How many two goes in 16?
Oh,
How many? Two goes in 16. How many times?
8.
Eight.
No
So
remaining.
it's correct. So that means 36 divided by 2 is 18. Now do 60 divided by 2 and tell me your answer.
Okay, let me check.
Do it the way I did this one. I say how many this
Okay.
goes in. Yeah. So easy, so simple. Do it quickly.
So how many 6 go into?
How many
That's gonna
two
be.
goes in 6?
I mean, sorry. How many 2 goes in 6? That's that's 3. What's the
Mm-hmm.
remainder of 1?
Does it remain
So
anything?
now
Where did you see remainder 1? Does it remain anything? How many 2 goes in 6? That's 3. It doesn't remain anything. Remainder 0. So how many 2 goes in 0? That's also 0.
yes,
So that means if you divide 60 into 2, you get 30, right?
yes.
So is there still a number that can divide them? Yeah, 2 can still divide them, okay?
Okay.
How many 2 goes in 18?
So how many 2 go in 18?
That's 9. How many 2 goes in 30? That's 15. So how you're going to be doing this is up to you now. I have shown you the method. Now, how many 2 cannot go there? How many 3 goes in 9? You can divide it by 3, okay?
Okay.
So how many 3 goes in 9? Quickly.
3.
3. How many 3 goes in 15?
How many 3 times 15 is 5.
5. Can any number divide them at the same time again? No, because they're prime
No.
numbers. Once you get a prime number, or you get both prime numbers, you stop. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Now consider this. 2 times 2 times 3 is what?
2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 times 3 is 12.
So it's 12 you're supposed to use initially, okay?
Okay.
You divide it by what?
Divided by 12.
And that'll be what?
So,
With that, you're going to skip these two steps, okay? And you land on
okay.
your answer, right?
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm explaining to you? Instead
Not
of using
super.
2 and using 2 and using 3, because if anything goes wrong on the way, your final answer is going to be wrong. So it's better to use the highest number that can divide both of them, okay?
Okay.
No number bigger than 12 can divide both of them at the same time. Is that clear?
Yes.
Write down everything on the board from the topic down to this place. When you're through, you let me know.
Okay.
All right, viewers, we're going to continue shortly.
Yeah.
So, the first one, we gotta divide by 30, right? Hmm?
Yeah.
30 in 30, that's 1. And 30 here, that's 2. So nothing can divide them again. This one, we're gonna divide by 6 here, 7. Oh, sorry, 7 here, 6. And 7 here, 10, which means something else can still divide them. We would have divided by 14. So, but 2 here, 3, and 2 here, 5. So we could have said 14 here, 3, and 14 here, 5. Is that clear?
Yes.
Then the next one we can divide by, let's say 20, let's say 9. 9 here is what? That's 3.
Is 3.
And 9 here is 10, right? So that'll be 3 over
Yeah.
10. Then the next one, we can say 4 here, 9, and 4 here, 25.
Yeah.
Then the next one, we can say, let's see, 25 here, 1, and 25 here, 5. And the last one, we can say 35 here, 1, and 35 here, 4. Even if we divide it bit by bit, we're still going to get. So what are the numbers I used to divide all of them? Here I used 30 for both of them. Here I could have used 14 here, but I used 7 here and I used 2 here. 7 times 2 is 14. Here I used 9 for both of them. Here I used 4 for both of them. Here I used 25 for both of them. And here I used 35 to divide both of them. Is that clear? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Is that clear? Is that clear to you? Oh, let me know if you can hear me. Maybe the connection is. Are you still there?
Hey,
Okay. I mean, is that clear to you? Can you hear me now? Oh, I think you're having some sort of connection issues. I need to mark your work now. Can you hear me now?
yeah,
Do you understand?
yes.
Okay. So, how many did you get? You surely didn't get this because it's supposed to be 1 over 2, simplest form. And you surely did not get this also because it's supposed to be. What can I? Where did you see 72? This is
Yeah, that's
70,
what I did.
not
Yeah, that's what I
72.
did for
You said?
That's what I did too. So that was the 72.
You don't get me. This is 70. Why did you write 72? You understand me?
Yeah.
Then this is correct. And this is not correct. 14 over 24. Okay, yeah, that's part of the other one. So, this one is correct. This is not correct because you have to reduce it to 1 over 4. You have to divide by 5, right?
Yeah.
So, and this is also not correct because you have to divide by 5 again, even if you have used 5 initially. So that will be 1 over 5. 5 divided by 5 is what? 1. And
Okay.
25 divided by 5 is what? 5. Okay, you got number 3 and 4. So put down the correction to the remaining ones.
Okay.
All right, viewers, that'll be it for now. Please subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. Goodbye. I have another student waiting to join the class for today. Okay. Helvina, how are you today? Helvina, how are you today?
I thank you.
Okay, so I've seen your homework and we're gonna look at it together. Let's see. We say how many 10 goes in 27? That's the two tens and remains 7 over 10. Did you get that?
Yep.
That's correct. And the next one, we have how many 4 goes in 18? Say number of 4s in 18 will be 4, which is 16. If you remove 16 from 18, you get 2 over 4, and we can reduce this to 4 whole number 1 over 2. Oh, yeah, you forgot to put 4 here, okay?
Yeah.
When you are reducing it, so always remember that. How many 10 in 43? That is 4, which is 40, then it remains 3 over 10. 4 whole number, 3 over 10. That's correct. And the next one, how many 2s and 5? That's 2, remainder 1 over 2, 2.5. Okay, and the next one, how many 4 in 17? That's 4, which is 16. It remains 1 over 4. 16 whole number, 1 over 4. And that's also correct. The next one, how many 3s in 23? That's 7, which is 21. Then remains 2 over 3. That's a very good job. 6, 6. Now you're going to try this one. Okay?
Okay.
It's not going to be homework, it's going to be classwork. So I'm going to change it here. Say classwork. So when you're through with it, if all things being equal, you get everything, then we move to something else.
Okay.
Classwork. All right. So we're going to continue shortly.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So let's look at the solution to this. It says how many 25? I mean, how many 12s in 25? That's 2, which is 24, then remainder 1 over 12. How many 10 In 112, that's going to be 11, which is 110. We have 2
Yeah.
over 10, which is 11 over number 1 over 5.
I accidentally switched. So I accidentally done 122. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then how many 6 in 36? That's 6, which is in 37, that's 6, which is 36. Remember 1 over 6. Then here, 15 in 46, that's 3, which is 45. Remainder 1 over 15. Then we have 9 in 40, that's 4, which is 36. Remainder 4 over 9. And 8 in 49 is 6, which is 48. Remainder 1 over 8. Let's look at the answers together. So this one you did another question. This one is okay. What's this one? Okay, it's still the same thing with that one. So this one is okay. This one is okay. Three, one of them. Let's see, number 16. You have 4 for every 9. And, okay, it's still a good job. It's a good job. So, hold on, I'm going to give you something to try next. We want to simplify fractions. Or we can say simplifying fractions or reducing fractions to the simplest form. Number one, 5 over 15. How can you reduce it to simplest form? What do you think?
Um, you can. Its simplest form can be.
I mean, what number can divide both of them? 5 can divide them, right? Divided by 5, divided by 5. So what should be the answer?
I think the answer should be
5 divided by 5.
one
Yeah, 1 over what?
three.
That's correct. So number 2, let's assume you have 10 over 15. What do you think?
10/50.
Yes.
We can divide it by five.
Yes, that's correct. So what would be the answer?
Um, 2/3.
Okay. Then number 3. Um, 8 over 24. What do you think?
Um, hmm, 1/3.
1 over 3 because 8 can divide both of them. Okay, number 4, we have 16 over 40.
Um,
Yep,
the, yes, quite hard.
quite hard. Okay. What can divide them? You can divide by 8. That'll be 2 over what?
Oh yeah. I was thinking how many 16s can go into 40 for some
No,
reason.
no. That's because you used 8 in 24.
Okay.
So you would just think of a number. You just think of number that can, divide them. Okay. I'm going to give you, let's see. Okay. Let's do another one. Number 5. 18 over 30. What can we divide with? You can divide with 6. That'll be what?
Oh yeah, you can.
Hmm?
you can also divide the three and three and
Yeah, if you divide with
it's
2 or you divide with 3, it will not go to the simplest form. You will need to continue dividing, okay?
okay.
Then we have 24 over 100. What do you think? 4 in 24. 6. 4 in 100. 25. Okay, write down the notes.
Okay.
All right, we're going to continue shortly.
I
This one is 1 over 5. If we divide them by 2, this one is 1 over 5 also. If we divide them by 6, and this one is 3 over 7 if we divide them by 3. While this one is 7 over 8 if we divide by 2. And the last one is 5 over 8 if we divide by what? By 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a very good job, okay?
okay.
So I'm going to send your assignment over. Then we're going to meet tomorrow by God's grace for your piano lesson and English, right?
Okay. Yes.
Goodbye for now. All right, viewers, thanks so much for watching this. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. And this is where we'll say goodbye.